Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. And the reason I love this laundry hamper with handles is that it looks so nice and actually matches my furniture. So it doesn't look out of place, but it also functions so nicely as well. It's so nice to have a place to collect the laundry so it's not scattered all over the house. And our small space stays nice and tidy, and our messy laundry stays nice and hidden. The lid is removable, and it has an inside liner that is removable and can be taken right out. Or I can just use the cotton handles of the laundry hamper to carry the whole hamper right over to the washing machine. And I really appreciate the attention to detail. I like that the handles are the same color as the laundry hamper. This laundry hamper really looks so nice near our laundry closet. It helps us to stay organized and to keep our dirty clothes hidden and out of sight. And that's my point of view.